Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to do this marionette sequence on Aerial Hammock. This is one of my favourite sequences that I've learnt so far, and it's a lot of fun, especially in a spin. Before we get started, if you're new here, my name's Brendan. I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel I make videos about all things aerial. So if you enjoy circus fun, subscribe and turn on the bell to become a member of our Circ fam. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start from a straddle invert. Here I'm hooking both knees on the right silk and then coming through to sitting. I step down here just so that I can turn to face the front again. Then straddle invert and crochet both legs. Bend your right knee and climb up the right silk, keeping your left foot sickled. Pull up and over into runner. This is your first pose point. Turn to hold one side of the hammock in each hand, keeping your left foot flexed. Pull up and rotate towards your left, bringing your knee to the outside of the silk. Now most of your body weight should be going through your left foot. Switch your hands to the opposite silk and use your left hand to take the loose silk off your leg and continue in the same direction around your body, catching the silk with your neck. Switching hands one more time, bring your right arm through so the hammock ends up in your armpit. Here it is again from the back. Using your neck like this makes it a lot easier to keep control of the hammock, especially on a windy day. From here, reach up high and pull up as you straighten your left leg. Lean back and let go with your hands, and you can play with different leg positions here as well. Next, hold onto the hammock and straddle invert, hooking your right knee. Remember to point your toes and keep your left knee extended. Let go with your hands for another pose. Reach both hands up to the left silk and sickle your right leg on the right side. Pull all the way up and rotate to your left until you're in an arabesque. If you're lacking flexibility, you can pose with a bent knee, but try to work towards both legs being straight. For the baby drop, unsickle your right foot and use it to kick the lock off your left foot. As you slide down, try to keep your left leg extended and both toes pointed. Let go with your hands and arch your back. To lower down, hold onto the left side with both hands, unhook your right knee, uninvert and let the hammock unravel until you catch it in your right armpit. Let go and arch your back for the final pose. To exit, simply sit up and unhook your left knee. Now for the fun part, let's do it again in a spinning flow with music. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll leave another video here in case you haven't already seen it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.